midweek video for this. So these midweek videos are going to be kind of like an informal chat and discussion, mostly about parts. I thought, as a lot of you are watching my builds, specifically this one here, the Ducati behind me here, a lot of you are interested in what kind of parts I put in. You're always asking for parts lists and where do I get parts and everything like that. So I thought, as parts are coming in, why not make videos on these so you can all see a bit more on what goes into these builds. So these episodes are going to be once in a while, midweek episodes, nothing big, but I'm excited to talk about this, which are the RK Chains, the Tagazako. I hope that I've said that right. But essentially, RK Chains, a Japanese brand, as you can probably guess with the name that I'm having trouble pronouncing. Sorry guys. But I'm super happy to have this in my hand because this is going to go onto the Ducati. As you can see at the back here, the Ducati is orange, a beautiful orange frame. That is the accent colour. We've got the other bits here which are kind of satin black, and so I wanted a black chain that would look mean and killer to go on this, and RK Chains have delivered. Not only with the colour, but more specifically the performance of it as well. Let's unwrap this. Oh, and don't want to lose that. This is the linkage. Here it is. So I went with RK Chains because, like I said, not only the colour but also the performance of it. I know that I'm only running a 600cc engine on this, but you want it to be safe and you want to have a decent chain on you as well. And I have been assured, and this is where these chains really come to life. Let me get it out. Ta-da! Look at that! Look how beautiful that is. Look! that is beautiful. Back to what I was saying before, these chains are actually the most strongest and most durable on the market, which is like a bonus, especially if, like I said, if you're running a powerful bike. These have been tested and proven to withstand the power of a 1000cc motorbike and stronger than that as well. Like I said, my little 600 will be fine with that. It's not going to cause it any issues at all, but if you are running a performance bike, this is the chain for you as well. As you can see, it's got these lovely black scales with the gold plated pins and rollers as well inside here. So when this is on the bike, it is going to look absolutely killer. Best I can do at the moment is just hold it here because I don't have a rear sprocket at the moment. I am putting some new hubs and rims. I'm going to put some amazingly good looking XL rims on the back of this. So as soon as they're on and I've got spaces and sprockets or anything like that, I can actually put it on the bike. But for today, I just want to talk about it. So this is the ZXW range, and I've got a 520 configuration because that's what my bike needs, and most importantly because of the fact that they are seriously good, seriously strong, and performance wise can handle anything. These chains are actually used in the TT races. No, I'm not going to be doing any TT racing anytime soon because those guys are a little bit crazy. If they use it, then that's, again, good enough for me. The black scales on these have been coated so they don't rust, which is, again, another benefit. The last chain on my Ducati Monster was completely rusted. Even trying to maintain it, it was still a pretty manky chain. But it's going to look amazing in a couple of years' time after all the riding and everything like that, because, don't get me wrong, I can't wait to get this Ducati back on the road. Now, the other thing about this chain as well is that it uses the XW ring seal. Now, if you don't know what that is, I'm sure a lot of you have heard about O-ring seals and even X-ring seals, and there's a debate on which is better. Well, this goes one step further and an XW seal, which means that there are two pockets of oil in between each linkage, and that again gives you a longer protection, a better protection, and also like a triple barrier against any dust or anything getting in between these linkages and kind of altering your performance in that sense. Look at this. With that all said and done, sorry, the best I can do for now is literally just hold it against this. But even with these gold plated accents on there, I know that I don't have any gold on the bike, and I'm actually changing my gold front forks to black. I still think having that little gold accent on the side just adds a bit more class into the bike as well. It's gonna look so good. I'm gonna go with black sprockets at the back Front sprocket you're not going to see because that's got a guard on it. I can't wait to get these on the bike, but I thought I'd just introduce the chain as it is, and also post a link down there onto their website so you can actually check them out, see what other ranges they do, and also see what chain you'd like on your bike as well. And another nice little detail is on the side here, I know that a lot of other things do, but it has actually got the name stamped on the side. Another nice little touch. So if you want one of these, and they are well worth it, link down below so you can see where to buy them and everything like that, and also directs you to the RK website themselves. But until Friday's video, and Friday's video will be the assembly of this. But until then, everyone, keep on building.